Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to create a QR code now. Sign into the Facebook account that manages the page and open the page itself. Once on the page, make sure you have admin or editor privileges. Without them, you can't generate page assets. Next, click More or Open Page Tools in Meta Business Suite, find the QR code option, and select it. This starts the generator immediately, so you don't waste time on needless setup and can move on to customizing and exporting the code. Once the QR tool is open, check the link and preview so you know where visitors land. This ensures accurate tracking and user experience. Then customize the appearance. Pick color contrasts, a frame style, and a short call to action so people know what to expect. After you're satisfied, hit Generate, preview the code on different backgrounds and sizes. Make sure to download the high-resolution PNG or SVG for print and digital use. This preserves scan reliability and brand quality when deployed. Now deploy the QR code where your audience will see it: menus, posters, storefront windows, emails, or social posts. You should test scanning on several phones and in different lighting to confirm it opens your page quickly. Once done, monitor clicks via Page Insights or campaign tracking if you attached UTM parameters. If scans fail, make sure there's high contrast, enough quiet space around the code, and that it's printed at a large enough size. Regenerate without logos, if necessary to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.